In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a FigJam file. Sharing your FigJam board is essential when you're collaborating with teammates, clients, or classmates, and the good news is that it only takes a few clicks. I'll walk you through the different ways to share, explain what's happening at each step, and give a few tips so you stay in control of who can see and edit your work. First, open your FigJam file. You can do this by signing into your Figma account in your browser or desktop app, then navigating to the project or recent files and selecting the FigJam board you want to share. Once the file is open, you should see the familiar FigJam canvas with your sticky notes, drawings, or diagrams. Now look towards the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the main sharing controls, usually labeled Share, or shown as a button with an icon. Click on this Share button. This opens a sharing panel or pop-up where you'll manage access and invitations. In this sharing panel, you'll see a field where you can invite people directly by email. Click into that field and type the email address of the person or people you want to collaborate with. As you add each address, double check the spelling to make sure the invite reaches the right person. Next to the email field, you'll usually see a drop-down where you can choose their permission level, such as view only or can edit. Choose the level that matches what you need them to do. For example, if you're running a workshop and want everyone to add sticky notes, give them edit access, but if you're just presenting, view only might be safer. Once you're happy with the settings, click the invite button. FigJam will send them an email invitation with a direct link to your file. If you prefer, or if you're sharing with a larger group, you can use a link instead. In the same sharing panel, look for the option labeled Copy Link. Before you copy, quickly review any link access settings that may appear, like whether anyone with the link can view or edit. Adjust these if needed to match your security and collaboration needs. When everything looks good, click Copy Link. The link is now on your clipboard, ready to paste into an email, chat app, calendar invite, or anywhere else you communicate with your team. And that's it. By either inviting people via email or sharing a copied link, you can easily give others access to your FigJam file and start collaborating in real time.